Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here we are at the Roam Fitouts HQ today. We're going to show you what we've done on this 2023 long wheelbase high roof LDV Deliver 9. Let's get on into it. All right, starting from the back today, you're going to see the nice bit of Tassie oak across the back, which just sort of keeps that mattress locked in. And also, once you put your bedding on and all that sort of stuff, it's all hidden as well, so it looks nice and tidy. We have a massive storage drawer here. So awesome for fitting all your gear in. 1500 long on heavy duty locking runners. So lock out in position and then obviously lock back end too. Underneath that, we have a nice table. You can use it as a seat, a table, up to you, whatever you want to do there. So again, super handy to have, quick and easy to set up, which is awesome. Open storage underneath the bed here, spare tire access there. And then we have the piano hinge, which is access to all our electrical. Got a full Victron system on this one, and then just some LED lighting underneath the bed there too to light up the garage. On the right, we have outdoor shower connected up to the hot water system. So Duetto 10 litre instant hot water system, hot and cold water on demand out of the back. So really happy with that. You can see the reading lights there as well on the either side of the bed. They've got USBs built in, and you can dim and change the color on those ones too. So really happy with how all that turned out. That is back of house. We'll show you what we've done in the kitchen area. Alrighty, up front, before you even get in, you're going to see the external table. So this one's just fixed to the door there. Quick and easy, you can set that one up. If you're outside, we've got the Fiamma awning out. You can cook or put your drinks and bits and pieces on that. So pretty handy to have there. We've also got the fixed window in the door that doesn't come standard, but just lets that natural light in and keeps that space inside feeling nice and open. You'll see the lining on the kitchen unit here. We've kept that flowing with our ceiling, brought that down there, and I think it's just a nice little feature and it ties it in nicely as well. So stepping on up, a nice L-shaped kitchen. We've got the undermount sink here, and this is a new product from Kamek here. It has the filtered water spout here, and then your just standard water. So all connects up to our 100 litre undermount custom tank that we've designed here at Roam Fitouts for the LDVs. I'll put a link in the video. You guys can check that one out if you're interested. And yeah, so you don't have to have a separate drinking spout. It just all comes through the one tap. So you can have drinking water and then just your standard water through that. So pretty nifty little system. We cut in an extra window here. That one has the built-in blind and the block out. And that's an awning style window there. So they're really handy to have too. Overheads along the whole side here. We've got our electrical panel and display on this one. It's going to tell us everything we need to know there. Plus we've got a GPO and some other bits and pieces in that one. All on gas struts and loads of storage throughout the whole van there. We've also got the overhead here. Again, we can put our bits and pieces. We've got all the curtains up in there at the moment. And then just a stack of drawers. We've got the 130 litre Bushman's fridge freezer in there. Storage on top. GPO outlet there for an induction cooker, portable induction cooker. And then we've got seating left and right of the bed. We've got a table that we can pull out as well. So you've got two people, bit of dirt in there. You've got two people sitting inside the van. It's really comfortable. You've got space obviously up here as well, but quick and easy setup. So can't really beat that. Porta potty storage under this one. So we've got the lid that lifts up, and then that's on heavy duty drawer slides, so we can use the porta potty directly in place. That'll sit back in, and that one locks away there. More under seat storage on that as well. We have the TV mounted up here on this side, so you'll sleep head end over here, TV up there. We've got the Max fan, Dometic AC, Sirocco fan. That's a wrap for inside the van. We think it came together really good. We like the colors. It's like a nice gray, really light rain wash gray, I think it was called. And the overall feeling here is good. It came together really nice, but it's nice and open and super functional setup. So it came together really good. Alrighty, so that's a wrap for the 2023 LDV Deliver 9 long wheelbase high roof. We are really happy with how it came together. I think the colors looked really awesome in this build, and the overall flow of the van it worked really well, especially having that bed east-west just maximizes the space in these vans. So really happy with how it came together. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out massively, and stick around because we've got some really, really cool builds coming up. Thanks for watching.